How to fix grayed out songs on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone, then you have to go directly to apps, and on apps you will search just for Spotify. And when you found it, just open it like this, and now you have to go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK. Now you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK, sorry. And the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another